Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious chicken fried eggs. So let's get started. Okay, to get started making our chicken fried eggs, we're going to need about a cup of all-purpose flour here. Put that right in there. Okay, now we're going to add a little salt to the flour. And a little bit of pepper to the flour here. That's good. And just mix that up. Okay. Okay, now to our homemade breadcrumbs here, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, there you go. And about half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, now we're gonna mix that up. Okay, that looks good. Smells good too. Okay, now we're gonna make our egg patties here. We're gonna use this microwavable bowl by Sistema. Yeah, it really comes in handy. Really nice. We just take an egg and crack it in there and microwave it. It makes like a nice little patty. Let's start doing that. You're gonna need to spritz the bowl with a little bit of oil. Okay. Okay, let's get our eggs out of the way for a minute here. And we'll take our bowl here and we'll crack an egg in there. And we'll beat that up. Okay. Okay, to that we're going to add a little bit of water. And we're going to mix that up. Okay. Now we're going to put our lid on, just like this. And we're going to pop that in the microwave for about 1 minute. Okay, let's see how our egg turned out. It's in the bowl. We'll just open her up. Yep, looks good. Beautiful. Okay, now we just get that out of there. Just like that. Boy, that looks nice, doesn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. Can you see it? Okay. Now all we have to do is make 2 more of those. Okay, now that we have our eggs all done here, we're going to move them out of the way. And we're going to bring our eggs back. Yeah, we're going to crack 2 more eggs here. And we're going to beat them up. We're going to put a little bit of salt in our egg here, a little bit of pepper, and we're going to beat that up. Okay, there you go. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to take our eggs here. We'll take one of the eggs and we'll dip it in the flour. Okay, then into the egg. Then into our breadcrumbs. Yeah, they're good. Pat them in. Yeah, they're gonna be good. Okay, let's see how we did on this side. Okay, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Okay, we'll put them on a plate. And we'll get the other one. Put that in the flour. Flour them up good. Okay, we'll take it and put it in our egg. Okay, we'll take it and put it in our breadcrumbs. Yep. Okay, let's see how we did. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, let's put that on the plate. And we'll get our other one. Put that in the flour. Pack it down. Get it all coated good. Okay, now we put it right in our egg. Coat it with egg. Okay, now we go into our breadcrumbs. Okay, we'll flip it over here. Okay, let's see how we did here. Oh yeah, that's really nice. They're breaded nice. Okay, well there we have it, guys. 3 breaded chicken fried eggs. Yeah, and they got some nice seasoning in them too. Now all we have to do is get our pan warmed up and fry these babies up. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's start cooking our chicken fried eggs here. We're going to set our burner to medium high. And we're going to put some oil in the pan. Now make sure you got enough oil in there. And let our pan get nice and hot. Okay, let's check our oil temperature, see how it is. We're looking for about 330 to 350 here. Looks like we got 335, 6, 7, right around 340. It's going up a little bit there. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's put our chicken fried eggs in there. We'll just grab one and we'll put it right in there real easy like. Okay, we'll take this one, put that in the back here, and we'll take this one and we'll put it up front. Okay. Okay, now we're going to let these go maybe 2-3 minutes per side to get them nice and golden and crispy. Yeah, that sounds good. Man, they smell good already. Wish you could smell them. Yeah, they're good. Okay, we'll let these go on this side, maybe another 2 minutes. Okay, it's been just about 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Okay. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Getting a little toasty on there, that's good. Okay, we'll leave them go maybe a minute there and we'll maybe spin them around and get this edge here a little bit and this edge here. Maybe even that one. Okay, it's been about another minute. Let's flip this one over and see if we can get that edge. Right there. Okay. And we'll spin them around. And maybe we'll get this edge. Over here. Okay, and probably need a little bit on this one. So we'll just go ahead and flip it over. Okay, now that's good. Okay, they're almost done. They're about ready to take out of the pan. So we're going to just go ahead and shut off our burner. Okay, let's get them out of there. They're done. Okay. Okay, there's one. There's 2. And there's 3. Okay. Well, he almost got away from me there. Boy, they look nice. You see them? They smell good too. Can't wait to get into them. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious chicken fried eggs. You know what we're missing? Some gravy. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. And a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Yeah, because we like pepper. Boy, does that smell good. Yep. Okay, let's just get into a little taste. Boy, is that crunchy nice. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see it? Look how crunchy that top is there. Nice and golden brown and crunchy. Alright, let's just have a little taste. Oh, is it crunchy and nice. I tell you, eggs never tasted this good before. Boy, are these tasty. You're really going to love these. No doubt about it. Yep, just go ahead and make them because they're tasty. Yeah, we just got to have another little taste here. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yep, they're tasty. Yep, you know what would go good with that right there? Yep, I was going to say it, but I'm not saying it. I think I'm just going to have a nice cold glass of wine. Yeah, that sounds good. Mmm. Good.